let's talk about the Air Jordan 3 Retro Wizards. If you like these shoes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. I'm back. I am back. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Your boy got him. Your boy got him. Your boy got him. And I got the hat to match. Thanks to Hibbett. Yes, sir. These shoes right here, man. I remember when I first seen them online, I said, I gotta get them. I put a raffle in for Foot Locker. My account, my wife's account, same address. And it said waitlisted on both of our accounts. Your boy never go through on a wait list. For whatever reason, I never go through. I start paying bills and stuff. Man, forget these shit. My wife say, babe, it went through, you got them. She confirmed. She put in for 11 and a half. And I went through, I confirmed. And one thing I learned about Jordan 3s moving forward, I'm only doing size 12. So when we went to the store, the same store we just canceled the 11 and a half, went with the 12. So yeah, man, your boy hit at Foot Locker. Man, I was excited. Walked out the door and put these in the SUV, and I got the hell up out of there, man. So your boy is very, very excited about this shoe. I went online and I still see sizes. And I'm like, wait a minute, why? Because I know when it comes to threes, I know eventually it's going to 100% sell out, but it was still sizes. So I'm like, boys ain't feeling this release. They ain't feeling these shoes. They ain't feeling the True Blue Wizards. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just a little confused about that, man. But let's go ahead and get to it. Oh, and your boy's still sipping again. Your boy is still sipping again. Vodka, of course. Cheers. And on fleek as usual. Let's go. Oh. Look at the box. Ooh, this box looks nice. Maybe boys ain't feeling that copper, man. Maybe they ain't feeling that metallic copper. But let's go. Let's go. Woo! And I tried to get these for my son. I told him about these like a week ago, and he was like, Dad, I'm not feeling this shoe. I pass. All right, that's cool. All right, here we go. If you look at the shoe is fire. The shoe is hot. The shoe is dope. This shoe, I love it. This is my second pair of Jordan 3s in my collection. Yeah, I'm behind. Your boy just not getting out from the Jordan 3s. But the shoe is fire, man. It's dope. It is dope. Let's get started. Oh, and before we do, this is my first pair of Jordan 3s, the Racer Blue. Now, I have to be honest with y'all. When it comes to the Racer Blue, I like the blue on the Racer Blue better than the True Blue. This blue pops, it pops more compared to this blue. And I can appreciate that blue on the tongue and eyelids compared to the copper cool. The only thing I don't like about the Racer Blue, they should have made the elephant print the same shade as this, same color as that. I'm not feeling that dark elephant print. Other than that, I love the Racer Blue. Now, which one I like better? I don't know, man, because I love that elephant print. Because if you look, you got the elephant print here and here. And it's the same color. But with the Racer Blue, this is dark. And even though it's not elephant print here, this is a light gray. It matched the sock liner. I do not like this when it comes. That's the only thing. So if I had to pick one, it might be these. It might be these, okay? Which one is better? Drop a comment. Which one is better? The Racer Blue or the True Blue Wizards? Which one is better? Okay, let's go. So I just want to point out a few things. You got your iconic elephant print. I love this. I just love the color of this elephant print. I love it. And you have it right here on the side to match, man. They did a great job. This shoe should have went far and sold out within seconds, all sizes. Then you have your metallic copper on the tongue, eyelid. Look at that. And look at that, the bottom of the shoe. Right there and right there. Okay, white leather. Base of your shoe, white leather. You have your True Blue right there, mid area. Okay, and the sock liner and your insole, True Blue. So that's about it, man. I'm a big fan of threes. I prefer threes over fives and maybe fours. I just got those black and yellows, man. Thunder. Should've got size 12, but that's another story. They ain't going nowhere. But what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.